In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create diet, exercise, and nutrition plans using ChatGPT. This incredible AI tool can help you build a personalized plan for weight loss, fitness, or just healthier eating without having to spend hours diving into research. It's a fast and easy way to generate meal ideas and workout routines tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're a beginner, vegetarian, trying to lose weight, or simply seeking a better daily structure, ChatGPT is here to assist you in putting together a custom plan in just seconds. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video because I've got plenty more AI tutorials lined up for you. Alright, let's jump right in. The first step is to open ChatGPT in your browser or on the app. Once you have it loaded up, you'll want to start with a clear and concise prompt that offers the AI your basic details. Remember, the more specific you can be, the better the results will turn out. For instance, you might want to type something like, create a diet and workout plan for weight loss, age 25, beginner, vegetarian. This prompt gives ChatGPT all the key information, your goal, your age, your experience level, and your food preferences. Here's why specificity matters. If your prompt is too generic, you'll likely end up with a generic plan that doesn't truly meet your needs. But when you're detailed, ChatGPT can generate a plan that's much more useful and realistic for your situation. After you hit enter on your initial prompt, pay attention to what ChatGPT comes up with. It will usually respond with a basic plan, or it might prompt you for further details. If it does, don't hesitate to keep refining your request. Now, the next step is to ask for a complete structured plan. You can do this by typing something like, give me a 7-day meal plan plus daily workout routine plus calories. This is where ChatGPT really starts to shine, because you're asking for a full weekly breakdown instead of just a quick overview. Look closely at the results it provides. Check out what meals are suggested, which workouts are included, and how many calories you should aim for each day. If you find that the plan needs some tweaks to better fit your lifestyle, you can customize it with additional instructions. For example, you might say, add home workouts. This directive tells ChatGPT to eliminate any gym-based exercises and instead focus on movements that you can do right at home with minimal or no equipment. Perfect for those of you who prefer working out in your living room or outside. You can also request more nutritional details by saying things like, include protein intake. This gives ChatGPT the signal to incorporate concrete information about how much protein you should aim for each day, plus suggestions on which foods can help you hit that target. What's really great is that you can keep building on your plan. Maybe you want to adjust the meals to make them cheaper, or perhaps you need to focus on higher protein, more fiber, lower carbs, or recipes that meet a specific calorie goal. You can even request ChatGPT to format everything neatly in a table, separating breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. If you like, you can create different versions of the plan, one for gym beginners and another tailored for home workouts. Just keep in mind that the key is to continue prompting and refining until the plan aligns perfectly with your personal goals. A super useful tip is to always cross-check the plan against your own requirements. While ChatGPT can create a strong starting point, it's essential to ensure that the calorie target, ingredients, and workout intensity are all realistic for you. If you have health conditions, dietary restrictions, or concerns about injuries, it's wise to get professional advice before committing to any specific diet or exercise regimen. So to quickly recap everything we've covered, open ChatGPT, enter your personal details, ask for a full 7-day meal and workout plan, and then customize it based on your preferences, like home-based workouts and protein intake. With just a few prompts, you can create a plan that feels much more personal and significantly easier to follow. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your personalized journey to better health and fitness with ChatGPT.